Reading for August 7th, Science of Mind, A Philosophy, a Faith, a Way of Life by Ernest Holmes. Reading from page 483, paragraph 1, through page 483, paragraph 5, using inclusive language. The Law of Correspondence. Romans chapter 1, verse 20. This teaching incorporates the great law of correspondence. The spiritual world contains an image of the physical. The physical is a counterpart of the spiritual. A true estimate of the outward symbol points to the spiritual reality behind it. We understand the unseen by correctly viewing the seen. The outward effect must partake of its inward nature. The physical universe is the result of an inner intelligence working through law. Behind form is idea. The formless creates form through the creative power of its own mind and spirit. Behind every effect there is a cause, and if this cause is a spiritual idea, which it must be, then it follows that should the spiritual idea be discerned, the physical effect would be like it. The entire possibility of demonstrating the law of good depends upon this proposition. The idea is ancestor to the fact. Ideas are real, having the power within them to be made manifest. The whole teaching of the Bible is to the effect that life is universal spirit and universal creation. It creates by the power of its word. This word is the law of its being. People reproduce the divine nature on the scale of the individual. People also use creative power, which works through the law of their own word. From this we cannot escape. We need only to use this power constructively, and all will be well. If we use the creative power of our thought destructively, then it will destroy. In the science of mind, we learn that persistent, constructive thought is the greatest power known and the most effective. If the visible effect in our lives is not what it should be, if we are unhappy, sick, and poverty-stricken, we know the remedy. The truth is always the remedy, and the truth is that the law of liberty is the only real law. When we reverse the process of thought, the effect will be reversed.